With the introduction of the new Alien RS, SCARPA continues to define the standard of light touring and ski mountaineering. Not just for race settings, it implements technical, adventure-ready features that suit ambitious days of backcountry exploration. Constructed almost entirely from carbon Grilamid LFT, a light and rigid plastic infused with individual long fibers of carbon, its downhill performance punches well above its weight class. Additional cuff and lateral shell reinforcements limit any shell deformation and provide direct power transmission to edge, maximizing control and responsiveness even with wider skis. The one-motion speed lock mechanism both tightens and locks the cuff of the boot for quicker transitions. Release the mechanism for 72 degrees of unrestricted mobility and a smooth, efficient touring stride comparable to high-end Skimo race boots. This mechanism easily adjusts to 4 different forward lean settings, allowing users to dial in a comfortable stance. The BOA closure system on the lower shell offers a precise and secure fit, while a sock-like waterproof gaiter provides complete protection from snow and ice in a lightweight, tongueless shell design. The comfort-inspired yet performance-driven 99mm last pairs with a sleek and custom moldable Intuition liner to achieve a fit that complements the boot's technical construction. Conceived, tested, and built in Italy, the innovative SCARPA Alien RS combines race-inspired design with broader backcountry applications in a completely new, lightweight boot class. It will allow goal-oriented backcountry skiers to push themselves even faster and further in the mountains.